A basic daily skincare routine would include the following steps. 1. Cleansing. Cleanse your face in the morning and at night to remove any dirt, oil, or makeup that may have accumulated on your skin. 2. Toning. Use a toner to restore your skin's natural pH balance and prep it for the next procedure. 3. Treating. Apply any treatments, such as serums or spot treatments, to target specific skin concerns. 4. Moisturizing. Finish your routine by applying a moisturizer to hydrate and nourish your skin. 5. Sun protection. You can apply a broad-spectrum SPF 30 or higher every day, regardless of the weather, to protect your skin from sun damage. Take note, everyone's skin is unique, and what works for one person may not work for another person. It's important to pay attention to your skin's needs and adjust your routine accordingly.